The Kiwi Prime Minister with a call for cooperation.
Ultimately, we are all in this together.
Hosting a virtual summit of Asia-Pacific leaders, all still battling a virus and all of one mind, that the pandemic isn't going anywhere anytime soon.
There is significant work by all of us to be done.
APEC leaders committed to expand sharing and manufacturing of vaccines as the virus ravages countries across the region.
We see our primary task as being the expansion of the scope of vaccinations.
We must remove barriers, not erect walls.
Scott Morrison dialing in from a locked-down Kirribilli. A lack of access to vaccines in Australia blamed for leaving Sydney and Melbourne vulnerable to outbreaks after early success in controlling COVID-19 in 2020 was envied around the world.
We've squandered that advantage with a failure to roll out the vaccine effectively.
The Commonwealth argues it's stumping up financially to cushion the blow while the vaccine rollout ramps up.
Our government will stand with those that are doing it tough as a result of lockdown closures.
National Cabinet met on Friday, but leaders failed to agree on a single model for support. Labor's insisting it's not surprising states and territories still want to negotiate on a case-by-case basis, given the longer Sydney lockdown resulted in higher individual payments than the shorter Melbourne restrictions just a month earlier.
State governments have been able to start to pressure the Prime Minister to take an equitable approach.
As issues have arisen, we've adjusted our response.
The deteriorating coronavirus situation has forced leaders to accept that lockdowns are going to be unavoidable while vaccination rates remain low. Whether larger weekly deliveries of the Pfizer shot expected in coming weeks help to ease that threat will rely on how fast authorities can get those doses off of planes and into arms. Matthew Doran, ABC News, Canberra.